Okay, we have this awesome first aid kit that we just got, and it came with these. You could take these off and put something else on it if you wanted, but I like it because it tells us what it is. And it also, of course, has all these little straps where you can hook other things onto it. This part Velcros off if you wanted to be able to stick something else in here. This part clips, so you could actually clip it to a bigger bag if you needed to. And I think this part just pops off. Yeah, so there are all kinds of ways to use this bag. This part is sewn closed, but very thick handles. So, pretty cool. Let's show you what's inside. So, we have a rain poncho, rubber gloves. This is a waterproof bag for your phone. Q-tips. Ooh, this is one of those hammers. You could actually use this. I'm planning on keeping this in the car. So this is something that you could actually break the window on your car if you got stuck underwater or something. So it can be pliers, a hammer. This is a little rubber part that comes off, so it can be a little hatchet. And then it has all kinds of tools on the inside, a knife, screwdriver, saw, looks like a can opener, nail file. Pretty awesome stuff there. This looks like a clip.
It's a carabiner.
Yeah, so you could use this to clip onto your backpack or something like that. This is a mouth-to-mouth protection guard. So I don't know how often that's used. This looks like this is a safety whistle. So if you're lost, you can use this to conserve energy, calling or whistling instead of using your voice. They also have, this is a spork to eat with. Awesome. Ooh, and a knife. Look at that. And this also comes with a whistle. This is pretty handy. Plus something to, I guess, tie it onto stuff so it doesn't get lost. This is also can be used to break a window. And I'm thinking it's a pen. Is it a pen? Yep. So you have a pen on there too. I don't know if it does anything else.
It's kind of cool how like everything in here has multiple uses.
Yeah.
They've conserved as much space as possible.
Yeah. There's another carabiner. Ooh, a fishing kit. So this really is like
Survival kit.
a survival kit. And I wanted this. See how small it is and compact, and we haven't even gotten through all of it. But I wanted it because I wanted it in the car so that if something happened, you had stuff. This is one of those kits that does a whole bunch of things, and it even tells you what each thing does so that you don't have to figure it out. That's pretty handy. So you could actually keep that in your wallet. A little piece of rope. I don't know what that's for.
It could be for fire kindling.
Yeah, that's true. This is a saw, so this is pretty handy. You can, it goes really small and you can take it off.
Chainsaw for logs.
Yeah. This is another thing to clip onto the bag.
Is that a magnifying glass?
No. It might be something that you can clip onto things and use it to wrench things apart. I'm not quite sure. That is interesting. You've got some nice rope. So if you had to make a shelter or something. This is a ferro
On a
stick.
loan, they would make that into a fishing net.
Yeah, maybe we'll make it into a fishing net. So this is a ferro for starting a fire. It even has a little protective thing, and then you take that part and shove it against it. An emergency blanket. That's pretty handy. Glow-in-the-dark sticks. That could be very helpful to gain attention. If you were looking, a first aid kit to, oh, this is awesome, showing you how to do mouth-to-mouth, take care of injuries, bleeding, burns, if there's chest pain. This is really great. This would actually be really good to review with people in your family just so they knew how to do each of those things. This is, ooh, tells you what everything
Everything
is.
in the kit. What we just did. Sorry.
Yeah. But you know what? I think it's really handy to see what's inside of it. A triangular Band-Aid.
Yeah, we're not even to the Band-Aids and stuff yet.
Yeah.
This is only half of it. I can't believe it. That's just half of the stuff.
This is
Another knife.
a knife. Yep, which this could be, I think, really good for like
A stronger knife.
if you know, after you've caught your fish, then you have something that you can actually gut the fish. So that's pretty handy. And then this is a little what do you call that?
Paracord with a compass.
Compass, yep. And you can flip that onto your bag or your wrist or something. And yeah, there are pockets in here if you want to separate that. This is a flashlight, I think.
Wow, cool.
It needs to be, I bet it needs batteries. I bet that needs batteries. All right, oh, and a little tiny first aid kit. I thought this whole thing was a first aid kit, honestly, so it's awesome that it's a survival bag. All right, so I'm just going to let
Yeah,
you
we don't need to pull that all out, but you've got cotton, bandages, Band-Aids.
Wraps, tape.
Is there any gauze in there?
Yeah, gauze is right there. So, different size bandages. So that's pretty good.
I meant what's the ointment that you put on?
Oh, I didn't see. Let me see. I was kind of looking for ointment too. They have wipes to clean the area.
So far we're missing a Band-Aid for the flashlight and ointment. Otherwise we've got everything.
Contains
It's amazing.
pad. Yeah, you think that there would. I guess that'd be an easy thing to add as ointment.
Yep.
For the wound.
All right,
And
last
then the
thing.
last thing, what is this? I want it to be a hatchet. Oh, it's a shovel. This is so cool. Okay, so like seriously, if you know if you have this in your car and it, you know, you got stuck on the side of the road, you could actually use this to dig yourself out. That's pretty
amazing.
awesome.
All right, so that's everything you get. It's a lot of stuff.